Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys how to save contact number in Gmail ID. Friends, you want to save contact number in your Gmail ID, so how to save number on Gmail one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all friends, subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting, phone call setting. After phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. So how to save number in Gmail. Friends, click here and press enter number, which number you want to save on your Gmail. Example guys, this is number and you want to save in your Gmail. Friends, click here create new contact, enter name. Friends, I will enter Uncle G. Uncle G. And friends, you want to add surname, so you can add surname also, and you don't want to add surname, so friends click your device and friends select your Gmail. Friends, I have only one Gmail, so friends I will select my Gmail. After select Gmail friends, click here save number and friends come back. So friends, you can see number will save, and friends you want to call to your Uncle G, so friends click here and you can call to your Uncle G. And friends click here contact and friends you can check number here Uncle G. And friends, you want to start video call, so you can start video call. Friends, you want to call, you can call. And friends, if you click text setting, so friends you can send text message to your uncle. Hello, click here SMS setting and you can send text message to your uncle. And once you want to edit contact number, so once click here and once you can edit contact number, you can change name, you can change number. You want to add photo on contact number, so once click here gallery, select photo and you can add photo on contact number. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to save number on Gmail. Bye friends.